The M2, 2025 BMW M2 Coupe.
The 2025 BMW M2 is a modern sports coupe that captures BMW's classic driving experience. It features a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with twin turbochargers, delivering 473 horsepower. With a manual transmission, it can reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. For 2025, BMW introduces the iDrive 8.5 operating system, moving climate controls to a 14.9-inch infotainment display. New personalization options include vibrant exterior finishes and a leather-covered steering wheel. The M carbon bucket seats are now available as a standalone option. The M2's twin-turbocharged engine offers 473 horsepower with 406 pound-feet of torque for the manual version. Rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission enhance the driving experience. The M2 excels in handling, making it a thrilling choice for enthusiasts. Inside, the M2 offers a spacious front cabin with a new flat-bottomed steering wheel. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen. Navigation is standard, with optional head-up display and 5G connectivity. Standard safety features include automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. BMW offers a 4-year or 50,000-mile warranty, with complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles, providing excellent coverage compared to competitors.